Good morning, Alex. You look well rested today. Did you sleep in?
Morning, Emma. Yeah, I finally did. Usually I wake up around 6:30 during the week, but today I stayed in bed until 8.
That sounds nice. I wake up at 6 every day, even on weekends. My body's just used to it now.
Wow, that's impressive. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I usually drink a glass of water, stretch a little, and then make some coffee. What about you?
I go straight to the kitchen for breakfast. I can't start my day without food. Most mornings I have oatmeal and fruit.
That's healthy. I normally just have toast or sometimes a smoothie. I try to keep breakfast light since I rush to get ready for work afterward.
Oh, right. You start work early, don't you?
Yeah, my shift begins at 8 a.m., so I leave home by 7:30. I teach at a primary school, so my mornings are always busy. What about you?
My job starts at 9, so I have a bit more time. I usually shower, get dressed, and check emails before heading out. I bike to work. It's great exercise.
That's so nice. I drive because my school is on the other side of town. It takes about 20 minutes if the traffic isn't bad.
I used to drive too, but parking was a nightmare. Biking saves me time and money. Plus, I get some fresh air before sitting at my desk all day.
True. I walk around the classroom all the time, so I stay active at work. But by lunchtime, I'm usually starving.
Same here. What do you usually eat for lunch?
Our school cafeteria has healthy meals. I often get grilled chicken and salad, or sometimes soup if it's chilly. What about you?
I usually bring my own lunch, something simple like rice, vegetables, and chicken. It's cheaper and healthier than eating out every day.
That's smart. After lunch, I usually grade papers or prepare lessons until my last class ends at 3.
My afternoons are full of meetings. I work in marketing, so we brainstorm ideas, review designs, and plan ads. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's stressful.
I can imagine. Teaching can be stressful too, especially when the kids are full of energy. But I love it when they're excited to learn.
That's what matters. Loving what you do. What's your evening routine like?
After work, I usually go home, change into comfy clothes, and relax for a bit. I might watch a show, cook dinner, or go for a walk with my dog.
That sounds peaceful. I hit the gym after work most days. It helps me clear my head after sitting all day.
That's a great habit. I should start exercising more regularly. Sometimes I'm too tired after teaching.
Yeah, I feel that way too. But once I start, I feel much better. After working out, I shower, have dinner, and sometimes read before bed.
Oh, what do you like to read?
Mostly nonfiction, self-improvement, or travel books. I love reading before bed because it helps me sleep better. What about you?
I'm more of a fiction reader. I like getting lost in stories after a long day. I usually go to bed around 10.
Same here. I try to sleep by 10:30 so I can wake up early and feel refreshed.
Do you have any morning habits that make your day better?
Definitely. I always make my bed and plan my schedule before leaving home. It gives me a sense of order. How about you?
I try to start the day with gratitude. I write 3 things I'm thankful for in my journal. It helps me stay positive, even on stressful days.
That's awesome. I should try that. Sometimes my mornings feel rushed and I forget to slow down.
Yeah, I used to feel that way too. But now I take 10 minutes for myself. No phone, just quiet time and coffee.
That sounds perfect. I think I'll add that to my routine next week.
Do you ever break your routine?
On weekends, definitely. I wake up later, skip the gym, and sometimes eat brunch instead of breakfast. How about you?
Me too. I like going to the farmer's market on Saturdays and spending time outdoors. On Sundays, I clean the house, do laundry, and get ready for the new week.
Sounds productive. I usually catch up on movies or meet friends for dinner, but I always make sure to prepare for Monday.
That's the key. Relax but stay organized.
Exactly. Routines make life smoother, but we all need a break sometimes.
True. Anyway, it's great talking about our routines. I actually got a few new ideas from you.
Same here, Emma. Maybe we should meet next week and talk about weekend hobbies.
I'd love that. Let's plan for it. See you soon.
See you. Have a great day.